Thank you for the opportunity to present to you today the Molecular Devices Image Express HCS.ai automated imaging solution. This latest generation high content imaging system is modular and upgradable for flexibility. So let's start by taking a look at the conventional process using a conventional microscope. This could be manual or it could be semi-automated. But typically, this involves spending a lot of time sitting at the microscope in a dark room and can be quite labor intensive to get data. With the Image Express HCS AI system from Molecular Devices, this can be automated, enabling more data in less time. Simply put your sample into the instrument. So this can be a microscope slide or a multi-well plate of various formats from various manufacturers into the system and then walk away. The sample is focused, images acquired and saved, and this can be coupled to automated quantitative analysis as well. This enables researchers to evaluate more conditions. For example, to look at different drugs, different drug concentrations, or different genetic backgrounds. All this can be in the same multi-well plate, for example. This process of image acquisition to image analysis and data visualization is fully automated. The Image Express HCS AI system is modular. This means that there are different configuration options and it can actually be upgraded in the field. The intuitive acquisition analysis software enables scientists to address a wide range of applications, both in 2D as well as in 3D for live or fixed cells. Here you can see some live cell imaging looking at mitochondrial dynamics. So the three models include a wide field system, a system that's both confocal and wide field, as well as a confocal system that's wide field and confocal using laser-based technology. Now, these can address a wide range of different applications across the models. Think applications such as apoptosis and cell counting, neuroid outgrowth, organoids, spheroids, stem cell biology, and more. The acquisition software is intuitive and guided so that researchers can be up to speed quite quickly in using the software. You're choosing your channels, your exposure, your wells to acquire, and then you can set the experiment to run. Again, the images are focused, automatically saved, and this can be coupled to the analysis. So simply run the experiment. The quantitative image analysis is done with the Encarta software, and this allows scientists to easily navigate the multiparametric data. Here you can see some results from this fiber analysis. You have a heat map. You can see the segmentation overlay. So all of this is at your fingertips. The data can be exported, and the Encarta software leverages machine learning. So using machine learning approaches to really enrich the high content analysis capabilities in both segmentation and classification. So this allows you to extract valuable insights from hundreds of measurements per cell, enabling researchers to answer complex biological questions, make new discoveries. For 3D models, you can detect and analyze 3D structures with a volumetric analysis and display that 3D rendering. So here you can see another example of the data within the Encarta image analysis software. A few example 2D applications are shown here. Again, the system is quite flexible, so many applications can be addressed. We say from A to Z. Here you can see some examples with some puncta here looking at vesicles, such as in receptor internalization, looking at cytoskeletal architecture here in the middle, and very complex networks, such as doing a neuroid outgrowth analysis. Some example 3D applications include looking at spheroids and organoids. You can see these very complex organoid structures here, as well as looking at whole organisms such as Drosophila and zebrafish. On the lower left, you're looking at a Z series, so moving through this cleared spheroid in Z. And within the software, again, you have the tools for the visualization of the data, of the images. Here you can see an example of looking at the 3D viewer and looking at the 3D rendering. So let's take a look at some of the instrument highlights. So as mentioned, this is a wide field or spinning disc confocal, or you can have both. In the confocal systems, we'll have both wide field as well as confocal capability. This is using spinning disc confocal, so this enables very fast confocal imaging, such as the live cells that you saw previously looking at the mitochondrial dynamics. The system uses an industry-leading 16-bit scientific CMOS camera. This is has very high sensitivity, high signal to noise, enabling you to capture high-quality images, and uses a large sensor so you can capture more area per image. Has a 6 objective turret. A wide range of objectives can be used, such as high numerical aperture air objectives, extra long working distance objectives, and automated water immersion optics as well. The system has an automated magnification changer, which combined with the 6 objective turret can give you 12 effective magnifications in a single configuration. For the illumination, there are different options. The advanced system has a 7-color laser light source, so from DAPI all the way out to size 7. And the wide field and confocal modes also have an option for an LED light source. This is a 5-color LED light source from DAPI to size 5. Again, this is modular and upgradable. So depending on your application needs now or what you might want to do in the future, the system is designed to be able to grow with your assay needs. Transmitted light is included with the system for looking at unstained cells, for example, or looking at your cell morphology. And optional is the environmental control to enable that live cell imaging. This is temperature control, has an integrated gas mixer for both CO2 and N2, and humidified so to keep the cells healthy and happy as they're growing in the system, basically mimicking the incubator that you might have, for example, in your laboratory. And this is robot friendly, so it can be future automation ready if you want to integrate with robotics. On the right, you can see an example of a workflow that we call our targeted acquisition or quick ID. So looking at something where you're perhaps looking for a rare event, like certain organoids here of a certain phenotype. You can image those at low magnification, identify them using the machine learning capabilities, and then automatically move to a higher magnification to further image targets of interest. It's quite flexible. With regard to the sample formats, the labware, you can work with U-bottom plates or round bottom plates, transwell inserts for migration, microfluidics and organ-on-a-chip devices, microscope slides. The system is open, enabling you to work with different formats from different manufacturers. The focus is very robust. It includes hardware and software-based focus routines. Take a quick look at the optical configuration here. As we mentioned, this is a spinning disc confocal enabling fast confocal imaging. You can see the 6 objective turret here on the top, the spinning disc of which there are different configurations. So depending on your configuration, you can adjust and match your assay needs. The 6 objectives here, again, which includes the option for fully automated water immersion optics, an additional tube lens magnifier that you see here. For example, with the 1.5, you would have 12 magnifications in one configuration. And here you can see that highly sensitive 16-bit scientific CMOS detector. Now, to summarize, the Image Express HCSAI system is a modular automated imaging solution for quantitative imaging of both 2D and 3D biology for live cells or fixed cells. The spinning disc confocal enables fast live cell confocal imaging, and the different disc configurations allow you to match the disc needs for your assays. Coupled with the AI-powered software, Molecular Devices solution enables researchers to extract meaningful results and is flexible to grow with the assay needs. So here you can see the different models. As I mentioned, these are modular. They can be upgraded in the field. So depending on your application needs now or in the future, the system can be adapted and grow with those assay needs. This enables you to capture deeper insights with the Image Express AI system. It's a fast, versatile, and intuitive solution for high content imaging. Thank you, and we invite you to learn more about how you can scale up with Molecular Devices solutions at moleculardevices.com.